And welcome back to All Over the Map. And we've got a different game tonight. We're going to mix it up. We are definitely going to be all over the map over the next couple of days and weeks. Got a bunch of the kids playing a board game, and here I am trying to play a 30 maps that will help you make sense of the world game. Let's see how we do. We got 15 minutes on the clock here. We got a quiz here. We'll see how we do at this. This is the first time of playing Sporcle. So let's just get right into it. Okay. The red countries are the only countries that don't do what? So we got the United States, Thailand. I would say let's do use the metric system. That's right. In this map of Antarctica, the colored areas are each a different what? Maybe international territory? No, or would it be a time zone? I think we can eliminate biodiversity and population density. Let's go with, this is a time zone. Time zone. Maybe it's international territory. Nope, time zone. I should have stuck with that one. Is the statement on this map true or false? There are more people living inside the circle than outside of it. I think I've got to go true on that one. That is true. This is a map of what? The world arranged into Russia's shape. Pangea, continents projected location in 300 million years. Let's go Pangea. Or the United States. It is Pangea. This map shows an average annual number of what? We are going to go with sunburns, deaths from insect-related causes, lightning strikes, or forest fires. I think we're going to go with lightning strikes it is. This map shows the worldwide spread of what? 1940, I think that's Ray Kroc. It's probably got to be McDonald's, not influenza, Walmart, or Starbucks, which is more recent. It is McDonald's. This map shows the worldwide consumption of what? Alcohol, broccoli, coffee, dairy products. We are going to go with coffee. It is coffee. This map shows the shift of what from 81 to 2025. Population, economic center of gravity, 81. Looks like it's going, wow, world's best cheese. C, it is economic gravity. Question 7, this map shows countries with the greatest amount of fines collected by FCPA for what? Illegal gun ownership. I can't even tell some of this stuff, but we're going to go with piracy, C. No bribery. Well, okay. The darker areas have a higher risk of what? A, sunburn, B, water scarcity, C, AIDS, D, hurricanes. As you can see here, I know hurricanes, this looks higher risk. It's the red. Hurricanes come through, that can't be it. AIDS, that's now sunburn. We have Florida there, so we're going to go B, water scarcity. Water scarcity there is. 11, this map shows the names of European countries when they are what? West Class 2, translated literally from Chinese, renamed by magazine, translated. Nunya. Let's say B, renamed by Mad Max. Oh. Okay. Chinese, that's interesting. Okay, so this color represents a different what? Wikipedia. Amount of restrictions accessing Wikipedia. B, language. C, type of government. Or D, writing system. We're going to go with language on this one. That's what it looks like. Different language. Writing system. Wow. Okay. This map shows the profession that is blank for each state. A, highest paid public employees. B, lowest paid public employees. Or C, most common profession. Coaches. Okay, United States. This is most common profession. Definitely not. Lowest paid public employees should be it for most of these, but it's not. It's the highest paid public employees in each state are football coaches or basketball coaches. Basketball, football coach, basketball, football, basketball, hockey coach. So the hockey coach in New Hampshire is the outlier. Interesting. So we're going to go with A on that one. There it is. This map shows the number of what per million inhabitants. We are going to go with, this has the highest researchers. Looks like researchers to me, not convicts. The United States should be one of that. What does this map show for European countries? Question 10. Let's go with A, second most common surname. B, most common surname. C, surname and most popular leader. Let's go with B, most common surname. And it is that. This one, question 11. Hopefully get to this in 8.5 minutes. What kind of paid leave does this map depict? Leave almost everywhere. Countries, paid leave, 26 or more. No paid leave. United States, Suriname, Liberia. Maternity leave, paternity leave. C, sick or purse leave. D, family sick leave. I'm going to go with maternity leave because I know, well, paternity leave, there's no paid leave. No paid leave. Yeah, A. Yep, maternity leave. Unfortunately, that's what it is in the United States. This map shows the worldwide consumption of what? Alcohol. A, broccoli. B, so I see what they're doing there. A, alcohol. B, broccoli for B. C, for coffee. D, for dairy. Looks like, you know what, we're going to do this game until we just get to through the 7.5 minutes. I'm not sure I'm going to finish this in time. I don't like leaving guys hanging out there, but that's what we're going to do. And as we get halfway through this, please, if you like this content, subscribe, hit the like button below, and comment on what I'm not doing right. And in this one, total adult per capita consumption. So less than 2. Okay, this has got to be alcohol because I look at these countries here, low, no alcohol, so that's got to be A, alcohol. Next is, this is a map of what? A, rivers feeding in the Mississippi. B, bats and migrating geese. C, common routes taken to New Orleans. That's obvious there, the Mississippi River feeding in. This is a map of what? A, deforestation. B, density of grocery stores. C, vegetation. D, highest vegetable consumption. This has got to definitely be vegetation. In this map, the world is divided into equal sections according to what? A, area. B, GDP. C, population. D, number of factories. Equal sections of thinking population. No. GDP. No. Area. Maybe number of factories. No. Population. Well, this map shows the maritime risk of what? A, storms. B, oil spills. C, finding sunken treasure. D, piracy. going to have to go piracy on this one because I know pirates hang out there. I think it's like Somalia. Let's go with piracy. It is piracy. 5.5 minutes to go. Once that is down, we're done. We'll leave it there. We're not going to get through this unless I can fly through it. The white countries are what? Countries without McDonald's, A, or B, countries without Walmart, C, countries Britain has not invaded. Bolivia, no. This has got to be countries Britain has not invaded, which is true. That's, wow, interesting. As of 2015, the Blue Raiders had what available? This looks like to me, if we play a lot of GeoGuessr, Battle Royale, etc., this is got to be D. Go Google Street View, which it is. Okay, the purple areas on these bar graphs show a relative depiction of what, according to latitude and longitude? Landmass, population. Okay. If condensed to the density of various world cities, the shaded areas show the space taken up by the population of what? Paris, A, California, B, the United States, C, China, and D, the world. If condensed to the density, these shaded areas take this population of what? World. Not hitting on these. According to worldwide data, the lines depict what? The top 10 routes of 2012. The busiest train travel routes, okay, Jeju to Seoul, Sapporo to Rio de Janeiro to Sao Paulo, Beijing to Shanghai. The most expensive train travel routes are the busiest air travel. Let's go with the busiest train travel routes. Ooh, air travel routes. I am not on a roll here. What percentage of Australia's population lives in the shaded area? 2 is A, B 10%, C is 20%, D is 35%. Let's go with, got to be A, right? It is A. Good. The lines show what? The spread of oil after a spill. B, where 29,000 rubber ducks made landfall after falling off of a cargo ship. Let's go with B. Wow, that's amazing. I'd love to look that up. Let's see if we get 10 in the last 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Let's power through this. Red countries do what? Have both McDonald's and Walmart. B, have only one official language. That is not true because the United States does not have an official language. C, drive on the right-hand side of the road. I'm going to have to go with drive on the right-hand side of the road, which it is. Okay, the map shows the importation, exportation of what? Coffee, oil, corn, or wool? Corn? Maybe this is corn. Let's try corn. It was oil. Okay, got a lot of ads. We were bouncing around. Where are we going? Okay. That's it. Did we fly through that? No, we did not. And that I've got a little off kilter there. Did we end this? Did I hit a button? Did I skip through? What? Not sure what happened there. But in any case, I hope you had fun watching this. 30 maps that will help you make sense of the world. We only got to 21. I guess I hit a button. If anybody knows what I did wrong there, maybe you've got to pay. What did I get? I got a 70. That's passing, I guess, in certain parts of the world. First Sporcle game went well. I do like Sporcle. There's a lot of ads. I'm sure you've got to pay to remove those ads. I did sign up this evening for it. So if you like Sporcle and you like the game, you like me to do more videos, happy to do more of this. And these quizzes and geography quizzes. But on another note, I want to let you know that we will have our first ever country profile coming up in the next, I would say, in the month of February. I would say in the next week or so, but it could be in a couple days or it could be in a week. We'll have our first country profile. We're going to profile 5 things throughout the country, whether it's 5 things of the 5 largest cities, the 5 largest football stadiums, or soccer stadiums, wherever you call it in the world. Maybe the 5 different tourist destinations, and then we'll do some Google Earth stuff. It'll be fun. It'll be a country profile to promote each country. Our first country we pulled out of the hat, my kids, was Croatia. Croatia's coming up. Look forward to that. We'll have another battle royale out to you soon. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Always hit that subscribe button. We appreciate all the subscribers out there and all those that tuned in to watch this. Until next time, cheers.